Welcome. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to disable Vibrate for Spaces notifications on the X app. If you've ever been in the middle of something important and your phone keeps buzzing every time someone starts a space, then this simple adjustment will definitely help you stay distraction-free. Let's walk through the steps together. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where you can control how all your apps behave, including notifications and alerts. Once you're in Settings, look for the section titled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, scroll through your list of installed apps until you find the X app. Tap on it to open its personalized settings. From here, you'll see all the different ways the app interacts with your device. What we want to focus on are its notifications. So, go ahead and tap on Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll notice there are multiple categories for different types of alerts. This allows you to fine-tune what kind of reminders you actually want to receive. For Spaces notifications, you'll need to tap on Notification Categories. Once you're in the categories list, look carefully until you see Spaces. This is the specific area that controls when your phone alerts you about live audio conversations happening on the platform. Tap on Spaces to open it. Now, you'll see a number of options tied to these notifications. One of those options is vibration. If you find it disruptive, all you need to do is toggle off Vibrate. After you switch this setting off, your phone will no longer vibrate each time you get a Spaces notification, while still allowing you to keep them visible if you want. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've now adjusted your notifications to be a little less intrusive. This way, you can stay connected to what matters online, without your phone constantly buzzing in your hand or pocket. If managing your notifications helps you feel more in control of your digital life, it's always worth making these small adjustments. Now you can use the X app as you like, but with fewer interruptions.